how to enable login verification in Twitter. Firstly, the main point, as you want to take that selection, it is to open up the application and simply tap on your profile icon on your left upper side. As you get there, scroll down and tap for settings and privacy, and right on that pointless selection, go for your account, the first side section. As you get there, guys, simply you're gonna find out all these selections as you can see, and simply need to go for security. But if you go account information, you're gonna see that there is no security option for that, and this is why you're gonna get back from here and simply go for privacy and safety or site section security, which is on the second side right here. Go security on the first selection, and right from here, guys, you're going to be available to simply take that enabling session for login verification, which is right here. And yeah, you can take it with simply tapping the button over, or you can take that selection from here.